Welcome to Berlin, a city where history meets innovation and culture vibrates at every corner. Today, we will take you on a journey through its iconic monuments, fascinating history, and hidden gems known only to locals. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with more unique travels with Globetrotter Views. The history of Berlin is a testament to resilience. Divided in two during the Cold War, the city reunited in 1989, becoming a symbol of peace and unity. Every corner of this metropolis tells stories of past and present. If you enjoy deep dives into history, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Globetrotter Views for more historical explorations. But Berlin is not just its history. It's a capital of modern culture, with one of the most vibrant art and music scenes in Europe. From street art coloring the walls of Kreuzberg to clubs beating the city's pulse till dawn, Berlin is an open-air stage. Share your favorite modern art piece from this video in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more cultural journeys with Globetrotter Views. And what about the cuisine? Berlin is a melting pot of cultures, and this is reflected in its flavors. From traditional currywurst to innovative vegan dishes, there's something for every palate here. Craving for more delicious content? Subscribe to Globetrotter Views and turn on notifications to never miss out on our culinary adventures. Each neighborhood in Berlin has its own identity. Strolling through Prenzlauer Berg will take you past cobblestone streets and vintage markets. Mitte, the heart of the city, hosts museums and art galleries, while Friedrichshain is the go-to place for nightlife enthusiasts. Let us know your favorite Berlin neighborhood in the comments, and subscribe to Globetrotter Views for a guided tour through more fascinating neighborhoods around the globe. Visiting Berlin is made easy thanks to its excellent public transport system. Remember to get a Berlin welcome card for unlimited transport access and discounts at many attractions. And don't forget, Berlin is best explored by bike. For more travel tips and hacks, subscribe to Globetrotter Views and hit the bell icon to stay fully informed for your next trip. Berlin is a city of contrasts and transformations, a place where past and future meet. Whether you're here for the history, art, cuisine, or simply to soak up the atmosphere of one of Europe's most exciting cities, Berlin will leave you speechless. Come discover this incredible metropolis, and let yourself be surprised by what you find. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Berlin with Globetrotter Views. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Share it with your friends who love traveling, and comment below your thoughts or what you'd like to see next. Goodbye, and see you next time.